Hi everybody, Alex Employer here from Expert Forex, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about creating Forex-based retirement income in this video. And as you know, I've been on a very long holiday. We're not quite finished, another 3 weeks to go. And I do this regularly during the Northern Hemisphere summer months, where I'm lucky enough to take a 10 to 12 week holiday in Europe only. Okay, let's get cracking. Now I must do a disclaimer here that anything shown in this video is not personal investment or financial advice. Everything is provided to stimulate ideas, discussion and thought. Treat all the examples as if they involve non-existent people like Mr. and Mrs. X, and the financial examples are very, very risky and possibly overstated. So if you treat them that way, you will be pretty safe. AI prompts may have provided all of the content or some of the content. It is generally available information and could be inaccurate in some ways. So there's the disclaimer. Take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, so we're going to start with the really basic requirements. I am very close to 70 at the moment. I am thinking about retirement needs, and that's why I thought I'd make this particular video. And I'm going to use an example where retirement needs are going to be $10,000 a month, which is $120,000 per annum. Now, you might need double that amount, you might need half of that amount, or you might even need a fifth of that amount. But you can adjust the figures that I'm going to be talking about to your personal need. Okay, in this example, I'm going to be taking the example of a property, but this could represent anything that is an underperforming asset that you might own. And again, I'm talking about people close to retirement. So in general, they do have assets, they have inherited assets, they have other things that are just lying there, not creating any wealth. So let's have a look at one of the properties that Mr. and Mrs. X might own. So here's a property, it's worth $600,000, it is paid off, and the rental income from that property is about $23,000 a year. It's roughly $450 a week. So there are costs that are involved in that rental, things like agent fees, there are municipal rates, there's all kinds of other things that come off there, and your net income could be $16,000, or it's a return of only 2% on your actual value of your asset. And that can be used for retirement income. But this property also has potential capital growth of, let's say, 4% a year. It could even be 6% or so. And that brings the total gain from this property to $24,000. But you have to sell that property to realize that. And that could also be an inflation hedge. So the rental could go up with inflation, but the property value could also. So it looks like a good investment, but this return is pretty low. It could most probably be better. But this is just an example of an underperforming asset that you might have in your portfolio. Now the problem is that you would need 8 paid off properties to create a retirement income. Using this particular approach, you'd need 8 properties generating $16,000 a year to generate over $200,000. And that would cost you would have to be a multimillionaire. You'd have to have 8 600,000 properties, and that would be in the region of $4.8 million. So you can see the problem here. Investment in property, and I'm not only talking property, it could be shares that you've invested in, it could be a business that you've invested in, it could be anything that is an asset that is underperforming. It could even be assets that you own that generate no income. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you about the grid trading portfolios that we have. We have 20 to 40 trading strategies running at the same time, and there's a reason why these strategies are traded in a portfolio. They trade different strategies. So in other words, you're not putting your eggs in one basket, you are spreading your risk very widely. Now you'll see there's a number 39 there. That is because in the course of trading this portfolio, one of the accounts blew, and that's 2.5% of the portfolio. So it didn't hurt the portfolio because there are lots and lots of accounts that have doubled, and you'll see them as we go through this. These robots are being traded on strategies on a VPS service, so it's a complete set and forget holiday type of portfolio. You can go away and just let it trade away. And the current performance over an average of 17 weeks is 34%. So there's a nice good weekly return of 2%, but the annual return is expected to exceed 100%. So the results are anticipated to increase dramatically as the portfolio has reached a mature money printing phase with reduced risk. And I've shown this in the previous video. Let's go and have a look at that video very quickly. And here's the video. This is the previous video. As you can see, it was made 1 day ago, and it spoke about the make money reaching a money printing mode. Go and watch that one. It explains how the money printing mode works and how you reach it. All right, so now let's have a look at what alternatives there are open to a Mr. and Mrs. X. So the first one is to sell an investment property for $600,000 and invest $120 in a grid trading portfolio. Now, there's a few problems with that. What do you do with the other $480,000? And the other aspect is you will lose the potential capital growth of $24,000 per annum. So that's the one alternative. Now there are, I must say, there must be at least 10 alternatives. I'm only going to look at the 2 major alternatives. All right, so now let's have a look at alternative 2. Now the other alternative is to raise a loan of $120 on the property at, say, 6% interest a year, and that equates to $7,200 of interest a year, and to use that $120,000 to start a grid trading property portfolio. The interest might be tax deductible. Okay, so what has just happened? Firstly, retirement from the grid trading can now be used for monthly living expenses, and you can use $120,000 of that or $10,000 a month. That was our goal. That is the retirement income that we're looking for. The interest cost would be $7,000 on that, or $600 per month, and so your retirement income from grid trading is $13,800 or $9,500 per month. But you still have your property, so you're still earning that amount from your property, which is $6,000 or $1,350. So your retirement income is over the amount that we've specified, which is $129,800 or $10,850 a month. Right, so that's how you've now created cash retirement income that you can actually spend on an ongoing basis. And you still have the capital growth potential on your property, which is $24,000 a year. And what now happens, you can see we've actually generated almost 10% more money than we anticipated. So the trick here is to leave $10,000 in the grid portfolio, because that does 2 things. Firstly, it creates less risk in the grid trading portfolio, and it also creates a hedge against inflation, because your grid trading portfolio is going up by 10% every year. So that's a little trick to think about. You simply go to expertforex.com, and the top set and forget EA that you find there is the grid generator. You click on that and it will take you to the grid trader series, which is a simple series. We've simplified the grid EAs considerably, and on this page what you do, and I'm not going to, you can read this page in your own time. I'm not going to use the video to go through everything in detail, but what you can do is you go right down to the bottom here and you find the part where we supply the settings for these particular robots, And all you have to do is click on those settings. So I'm going to do that, and there we go. We go over to the next page, which is really settings, which we supply and which are the ones that are traded in those 40 trading accounts that you've just seen. So then here, if you want to see the up-to-date current state of affairs, you click on live accounts. I'm going to click on that one, live accounts. And here you can see that the live accounts are doing pretty well. They've made close profits of 2.7, and they only have floating accounts of 1,200. So doing pretty well here. You can see the results are really looking great. There is a dip here. I think that might have been the, let's have a look. It might have been the one account that was blown, and let's go and have a look at that. So what you do is you go into portfolio here, and here you can see that particular account was blown. So that might have caused that little dip there. But if we sort it, you'll see that the accounts are doing pretty well. Some of them are very close to doubling because they all started with $300, and you can see all of them are pretty healthy. I'll just sort it the other way, and you can see, except for the blown account, all of the other accounts are positive. So that's why I'm so positive about the grid trading. If you trade it in a nice portfolio, you can afford to blow an account because you'll have accounts that have doubled that make up for it. So let's have a look at the other portfolio. And to go there, you simply click on the demo results, and you will see the similar type of thing. And here we see the results of this portfolio, and you can see it's slightly better, a close profit of 4.6 and a floating loss of 2.7. Now this portfolio is quite a bit older than the other portfolio, and that is why the results are slightly better. And you can see there were only small little periods where there were those aren't actually drawdowns, those are the closure of many open baskets, so it's not actually a drawdown. But the returns are pretty good on this one. And again, if we go and have a look at the portfolios, we'll see, and I'll sort them from bad to worse. So you'll see there are 3 accounts that are slightly negative. That's negative by 7 cents. That's negative by $3, and that's the only one that's a bit troublesome. That's got a drawdown of about $100. So the rest are all nicely positive, and when we look at and see how positive they are, you'll see 3 of those accounts have in fact more than doubled. So that's where it comes from. We can afford to have blown accounts. In this case, we didn't have any blown accounts, and the doubled accounts will create a safety net for us, and that is where this printing money phase comes in. If you take an account that's doubled, firstly, once it's doubled, it's half the risk. So your risk is firstly half, and it creates a fantastic buffer for the portfolio as a whole. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've given you some food for thought. This is certainly, in my over 20 years of trading, I feel like I've reached the pinnacle in terms of grid trading. I've created something that is extremely risk adverse and just creates incoming money on an ongoing basis. So what I would suggest you do is go to that page that I've shown you, read all about the grid trader, look at the results that are being generated in the live and the demo portfolios, have a look at the individual accounts, and it will give you a sense of security and confidence in this particular approach. As always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Employee, cheerio.